How to change your voice language in Sausage Man. Hello everyone, welcome back to another video from Crazy Gamer. If you are in Sausage Man and want to change the voice language, first of all, launch the Sausage Man app open on your device. Once you end up in this lobby page, after you open up the app, go ahead and click on the menu icon at the top right corner from the lobby page. In the expanded menu, click Settings. Inside Settings, go ahead and tap on Language from the left. Under Language Setting, tap the drop-down underneath Voice Setting. Now you'll be able to see this pop up where you can go ahead and choose the language you want for your audio. Download the language pack by tapping the download icon right next to the language. Wait for a few minutes or seconds depending upon your internet speed. And once the download is complete, tap on this little arrow kind of an icon right next to the downloaded language pack and click on OK, and you'll be able to switch to the downloaded voice language. So that's it. That's how you can easily do it. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will see you again in the next video. Thank you for watching.